Hi everyone, ako po si Chris Calquina and just want to give you a heads up sa darating po na episode ng Against the Tide this January 7, 7 p.m. po. This would be regarding sa documentary na ginawa po ng Verity Baptist Church Manila named The Unknown God, and we want to promote that documentary. So we made a podcast about that. And yung documentary po mismo ay ilalunch sa Verity Baptist Church Manila YouTube page. Ilalagay po namin yung link sa description po ng video po nito. And we just want you to give a heads up about that para aware po kayo if you want and interested na mapanood po yung video po nila. And also, ang aming pong season 2 ay malapit na pong i-launch. We're going to have our first episode ng aming pong podcast for the season 2 sa January 12, same time 6 p.m. But this time we're gonna be a little bit different kasi instead of doing it once a week, we're gonna do it once every 2 weeks na po. Okay? And magkakaroon po ng structure because yung season 2 po namin would be all about end times Bible prophecy. So kung interesado po kayo sa mga ganong klase ng topics, please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you on the next Against the Tide. Thank you and God bless.